Hello, I have a 2006 Ford F-150 and I've been meaning to change this broken door check for quite a while. Mine kind of shredded in the cold, and as a result the door swings all the way open and hits things. It scratches my paint. So what I used is a 10mm deep socket here. Yep, and then I used a hex or a star bit right there for these nuts. And down here, you don't really have a lot of room. There's nothing like directly showing the door check hinge, but you do have a, where is it? A rubber gasket here, or a rubber seal. You just gotta pry that up, and then you should be able to reach through and grab your door check. Alright, so here I got my new door check in there, and I'm just slowly trying to wiggle it in here, and I think it's gonna be quite the fiddle trick, but once I get it, you just bolt it in and there you go. Ta-da! Good luck, guys.